Established and regulated in 2005, FP Markets is a globally operating Forex and CFD broker. Currently, FP Markets adheres to some of the most stringent international regulations of the ASIC in Australia and the CISEC in Cyprus. You can choose from 2 Forex trading accounts, both of which require a $100 deposit. For beginners, you can test its trading environment and practice your trading strategy through a demo account. Tight raw spreads from 0.0 pips give beginners great encouragement to start their trading journey. More importantly, FP Markets offers educational services including trading courses, webinars, podcasts, and platform tutorials to help beginners truly understand Forex trading. Founded in 2010, Pepperstone is now one of the biggest Forex brokers in the world, holding the license authorized by ASIC, CISEC, FCA, DFSA, SCB. Pepperstone offers traders access to the world's most popular trading view, MT4, MT5, and CTrader on desktop, tablet, and phone. Pepperstone offers specialized education aids, powerful tools, and webinars for beginners to learn some basic terms in the process of market analysis, helping them quickly get used to trading, as well as increasing the efficiency of trades. Forex is regulated in 5 jurisdictions, a reliable broker that beginners can use without worry. Forex offers micro accounts to beginners to trade at a small scale without risking lots of money, helping beginners get a handle on trading and become exposed to market volatility. Beginner traders can find excellent trading platforms to suit their trading needs. No matter whether trading from a desktop or on Trade on the Go, there is a platform for you. The Education Center is essentially a Forex resource center, including live webinars, educational and tutorial video, daily markets analysis, etc., provides the tools and knowledge its clients, especially beginners traders, require trading with. 8cap was founded in 2009 and headquartered in Melbourne, Australia. WikiFX shows 8cap is regulated by several regulatory authorities, including ASIC, FCA, VFSC, and SCB. There are 2 trading accounts are on offer, with a minimum deposit as low as $100. Beginners can try a demo account to test its trading environment. Concerning educational resources, tools are available to support your learning, including a demo account, quality educational articles, external webinars. In addition, 8cap sends information about Trading Battle, a live-streamed trading battle between professionals. Since its establishment in 2009, XM has served clients from over 196 countries with support in 30 languages, making it one of the most trusted regulated brokers. WikiFX shows that it is strictly regulated in 5 jurisdictions, including ASIC, CISEC, FSC, FSA, and DFSA. A reliable broker is an essential step for traders, especially those who are just starting out. XM Securities provides 4 different account types, namely the micro account, the standard account, the XM Ultra Low account, and the shares account. Each account has its own set of conditions for commission, fees, margin calls, leverage, and minimum deposits. The micro account requires an initial deposit as low as $5, friendly to beginners. In addition to live education offerings, educational videos, Forex webinars, and regular Forex seminars, you will also be able to access quality learning at XM based on your level. Moreover, there are very well organized tutorials, videos, and tools at your disposal. XNAS currently holds regulatory licenses authorized by CISEC in Cyprus, FSCA in South Africa, and FSA in Seychelles. The standard cent account is specially designed for beginners, allowing them to trade with micro lots. Moreover, XS supports social trading, which means it can make novice traders copy experienced traders with both earning from profitable trades. BD Swiss was established in 2012, and the primary regulator appears to be the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Additionally, BD Swiss is regulated by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius, allowing it to offer more flexible leverage options to non-EU residents. WikiFX provides a direct link to this broker's website. The broker offers different trading options to satisfy the trading needs of different traders. Among them, the cent account only requires $10 to start trading, which is quite friendly to newcomers. On the BD Swiss website, you will find a variety of educational resources and tools. At the core is the Trading Academy, categorized into beginner, intermediate, and advanced lessons. Trading Talks is a 10-course recurring educational webinar that is held every 2 weeks. Live webinars provide an additional educational channel. WikiFX shows that as an international company, Rakuten is heavily regulated by a number of top-tier authorities including ASIC, SFC, and FSA. Considering Rakuten's regulatory framework, trading Forex and CFDs is low risk. Demo accounts are on offer for beginners to test trading environment. Rakuten securities support copy trading, which sounds good news for beginners, as they can copy trades of successful traders. Rakuten Securities also offer rich educational resources. Its education section provides trading strategy development, risk management, and sentiment analysis. eToro is currently regulated by several top-tier financial authorities including Financial Conduct Authority in the UK, Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission in Cyprus, and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC. Beginners will find eToro to be an excellent choice as eToro's trading platform is easy to use. eToro offers a standard economic calendar, an earnings reports calendar, news headlines, daily market analysis series, and podcasts. eToro does an excellent job incorporating fundamental analysis into its platform for shares trading and in the daily articles posted on eToro's blog. According to WikiFX, Easy Markets is supervised by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, Australian Securities and Investments Commission, as well as offshore regulation of the British Virgin Islands Financial Services Commission. Easy Market offers 3 trading options in total, with the initial deposit of the standard account as low as beginners, which sounds friendly and encouraging to beginners. Besides, you can also try a demo account first to test its trading environment before opening a live account. Easy Markets has its own dedicated app for Android and iOS, which can be downloaded directly from the Easy Markets site or from the Google Play Store and Apple App Store respectively. Traders can get access to rich research and education resources on the Easy Market platform. A mix of videos and written content is accessible, and one division is devoted to the psychology of trading, which may be the first positive development at this brokerage.